Hi everyone. Today we will start FastAPI crash course, modern code structure. In first, we will start setup environment by requirements.txt file like professional and create a basic FastAPI app. I have set up a FastAPI folder, FastAPI crash folder, and I have opened this in here. In this folder, we will create a requirements.txt file, requirements.txt file, and here we will add a FastAPI version and a Uvicorn version. We will check from Google and get updated Uvicorn and FastAPI version. Updated FastAPI version is 0.150. I have found already, and Uvicorn is 0.35. Now we will open a new terminal and we will install pipenv using pip. We already installed pipenv. That's why requirements are already satisfied. And now using pipenv we will install our requirements file and it will create a new environment. It will create a new environment and will activate it. After creating a new environment, it will install our requirements also here. It's creating a new environment, FastAPI crash course. This is our environment and installing our requirements.txt file. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. We will create a new Python file to set up our main basic FastAPI. Our requirements installed. We will use pipenv shell to activate our environment. FastAPI crash course. We are now in FastAPI crash course. We will start coding. From FastAPI import FastAPI. First we will create an app FastAPI. Now we will write a simple get API to check if connection created or not. We will write here our function, read function or any function which we want to write here. If we want to add any parameter here we can add, but I want it simple. I want to make it simple connection. I think we should make it a dictionary. Our FastAPI working successfully. We will save it, and we will run this Python. Sorry, we will run this by Uvicorn main, and a port on which we want to run this code, port 8083. Reload. We will run this, and it's running. We will copy this port and we run on a browser. Our FastAPI working successfully. We will add docs here, and its Docker shows here, and we will run from here. Its response is our FastAPI working successfully, and here also call successfully get API call. That was our simple FastAPI app. In this video, we have set up environment by requirements.txt file like a professional and create a basic FastAPI app. In next video, we will build modern project structure. We are going towards modern structure and modern things. We will write their routes, models, schemas, core services, and we will define all the structure industries are using nowadays.